you see, if we look at perfection, it is that, there's no fault, and, everything is whole, right? And we say that, yeah, again, back to the beholder. You have your own standards, and you set your own standards, and for you is, if I hit that standard, it's perfect already. So see, 95% of the time when people ask for perfection, provided you understand their standards, there's no perfection. And again, the other thing is, we ask ourselves, does it have to be perfect? Doesn't have to be, right? Because when you are striving towards perfection, you will not have any space to make mistakes. You will have no space to learn new things, because you expect. See, when we are perfectionists, we expect things to be done in a certain way and to achieve certain results. And then you just focus and you go that way, right? So you have no space for creative thinking, innovation,